Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Chrome data using Google Takeout. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, you'll need to navigate to Google Takeout, which is Google's official data export tool. In your address bar, type takeout.google.com and press enter. This will take you to the main Takeout page where you can manage all your Google data exports. When the page loads, you'll notice that by default all your Google services are selected for backup. Since we only want to back up Chrome data today, look for the button near the top that says Deselect All and click on it. This will uncheck everything, giving you a clean slate to work with. Now scroll down through the list of Google services until you find the one labeled Chrome. Once you spot it, check the checkbox beside it. This ensures that only your Chrome browsing data, bookmarks, extensions, and settings will be included in your backup, nothing else. Right underneath the Chrome option, you'll see two additional settings you can customize. The first one is multiple formats. Click on this if you want to adjust the file formats for your backup data. This gives you control over how your data is structured and saved. Next to that, you'll find all Chrome data included. Click on this option if you want to be more selective about which Chrome data you want to download. You can choose to include or exclude specific types of information like bookmarks, history, or extensions based on your needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Next Step button. This will take you to the delivery settings where you'll configure how you receive your backup. On this new page, you'll see several drop-down menus. Click on the first drop-down menu and choose how you want to receive your backup file. Your options include Send Download Link via email, which sends you an email with a direct download link. Add to Drive to save it directly to your Google Drive. Add to Dropbox if you use Dropbox for storage. Or Add to Box if you prefer Box as your cloud storage solution. Next, look at the Frequency drop-down menu. Here you can choose how often you want Google to create these backups for you. Select Export Once if this is just a one-time backup, Export every month for 1 year if you want monthly backups over the next year, or Export every 2 months for 1 year for a backup every other month throughout the year. Below that, you'll find the file type and size drop-down. Click on it and choose between .zip or .tgz format. Both are compressed archive formats, but zip is more universally compatible, while TGZ is common on Linux and Mac systems. Finally, click on the file type drop-down and select your preferred file size. This determines how large each individual archive file will be if your backup needs to be split into multiple parts. Once you've configured all these settings, click the Create Export button at the bottom of the page. Now you'll need to wait while Google processes your request and prepares your Chrome data for download. Depending on how much data you have, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You'll receive a notification or email once your backup is ready, and that's it. You've successfully created a backup of all your Chrome data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.